The 2026 RAV4 versus CR-V hybrid. The window stickers say the Toyota is $5,000 cheaper, but nobody drives home a base trim spec sheet. Equip both the way real buyers actually order them, and that $5,000 gap shrinks to about $800. Here's the math. This is buyer analysis, not a road test. We compare verified prices, features, and packages, the facts you can check. How each one drives is what your test drive is for. Start with the number everyone quotes. The cheapest hybrid RAV4 lists at $31,900. The cheapest hybrid CR-V is $35,600, about $5,000 apart, before you've added a single thing. First correction, neither car sells at list. Toyota adds a $1,450 delivery fee, Honda adds $1,395. Every price from here on includes it, because you can't buy the car without it. Toyota gives you 6 hybrid trims. Honda gives you 4. And how the two companies climb those ladders is completely different. That difference is the whole story. Toyota sells options as packages, small add-ons, a few $100s each, stacked on cheaper trims. Honda sells no factory packages at all. Every CR-V trim is take it or leave it. Neither way is wrong, but they change what the price even means. Take the Toyota SE. Want the power liftgate? $330. Heated steering wheel? $375. Moonroof? $850. That's $1,500 in add-ons, and you've almost bought the next trim up anyway. The maze is the point. Honda's version of a trap is subtler. The leather Sport L and the rugged TrailSport are $75 apart. Same money, until you notice the TrailSport already includes all-wheel drive, and adding it to the Sport L costs $1,500. $75 on the sticker, $1,400 in reality. So let's equip them identically. Our spec: heated seats, power tailgate, adaptive cruise, blind spot, parking sensors, wireless CarPlay, a power driver's seat, and all-wheel drive. Nothing exotic. This is what most families cross-shopping these two actually want. Properly equipped, the RAV4 SE with one package lands just under $38,000. The cheapest CR-V that matches it is just over $40,000. The $5,000 sticker gap just became $2,300, real, but half of what the ads imply. One catch: Honda's cheapest properly equipped answer is the TrailSport, the rugged one, with all-terrain tires and cloth seats. Want the comfort-oriented Sport L with the same features? That's $41,600. The Honda you probably pictured costs another $1,400. Add a heated steering wheel, table stakes in a real winter. The Toyota needs another package. The TrailSport already has one. The gap narrows to $1,940. Every feature you add, Honda's fixed trims claw money back. Now max the spec: moonroof, memory seat, leather-type interior, everything. Toyota XSE against Honda Sport Touring. $43,100 versus $43,900. $820 apart. At the top of the ladder, these two cost the same money. See the pattern? $5,000 at sticker, $2,300 equipped, $800 loaded. The more features you demand, the smaller Toyota's price advantage gets. Budget buyers get a real Toyota discount. Loaded buyers are choosing on features, not price. At $43,000 either way, pick on content. The Honda gives you a 12-speaker Bose system, Google built-in, 19-inch wheels. The Toyota answers with a panoramic roof, JBL audio, and hands-off parking assist. Same money, different luxuries. If you're spending as little as possible for the full feature set, the RAV4 SE with the convenience package is the value play. $2,300 under Honda's cheapest match. That's real money. If you're buying the top trim anyway, price is a tie. $800 over 5 years of ownership is noise. Choose on the features you'll touch every day and on your test drive. What we couldn't verify: Toyota's package prices come from one pricing source, so confirm them on the configurator before you sign. And option availability shifts mid-year. These numbers carry today's date on screen for a reason. The spec sheet can't tell you how the hybrid brakes feel in traffic, road noise at highway speed, whether the TrailSport's all-terrain tires hum on pavement, rear seat comfort with your actual kids. That's your test drive. The whole video on one screen. Budget spec: Toyota by $2,300. Winter spec: Toyota by 1900. Loaded, dead heat. Your budget picks your winner. The lesson that outlasts any window sticker. The badge on the front rarely predicts the price on the back. Package ladders decide these comparisons, so price what you'd actually buy, equipped the same way before you sign. The numbers decide, and when they change, so do we.